Hi everyone, so we are going on our family summer holiday thing today. Martin had 2 weeks off work, but he's had to do some milking for some of them, so this is our first trip. Talking to YouTube, darling. Do you want to say hi? Hi! So, we are going to go on a little scenic boat cruise with the kids. It's only an hour and a half boat cruise. The trip to actually get to Lake Taupo, which is where it is, takes a few hours, but the boat trip's only an hour and a half long, which is great, you know, not too long for the kids. There was another one that was 2.5 hours long. We thought that was a little bit too long for the kids, so yeah, we go and look at some moulded carvings that are done on the side of a cliff, and have a muffin and a cup of tea, and just, you know, sit on the boat while we cruise around the lake. It'll be quite nice, and it's a beautiful day. Let's see, we've just got a toilet stop right now. Roman's just had to go to the loo. So the lake is right there. So we're not in Lake Taupo yet. Gonna stop for some lunch, and then our boat leaves. It's currently nearly 11:30, but our boat doesn't leave till 1:30, so we've got some time to stop for some lunch. What are you eating, Bubba?
Burger.
You got a burger?
Yeah.
That's a big bite. And Roman, what'd you get in yours? You didn't get a burger, what'd you get?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. You can if you want. Look, Mila Rose going on a boat. Going on a boat.
Good to meet you. Right, yeah.
That's just about while he's getting out. The world's largest known eruption over the past 70,000 years, ejecting altogether 1,170 cubic kilometres of material and causing several square 100 kilometres of surrounding land to collapse and form the caldera, a later filled with just where we've come from.
There's the plane. There's the plane.
It's really cool, so
Oh, the plane's going down.
sorry, good to travel.
Remains volcanically active. Something that you notice as you swim through pockets of warmer water, particularly thermal activity in the lake's depths. There are also associated hot spots and hot springs found at the northern and southern ends of the lake. At the southern end we have the Takanu hot pools. Very nice. This is the remnant of an ancient lava dome. We have lemon here as well.
See Mila Rose did it? Do you want me to do it to you? What Mila Rose just did?
There you go, we're turning around, Martin. It'll be easier to see now. Look out the window, right? Yeah, now you can see it all.
There you go.
What do you think? Pretty impressive, eh?
Look at the people swimming.
Think you'd be able to make that? No, I don't think so.
Look, what can you see? What can you see?
Nothing. We can see nothing. I want to go upstairs now.
Yeah, I know.
Can we go upstairs now? Don't you dare drop that. I never get it back.
No, that's right. Did she touch it?
She tried.
You give it a pat. Give it a pat, Mila Rose. But all the cheap ones are already booked.
Yeah.
Running.
What are we doing?
We're going on a choo-choo train.
Going on a choo-choo train. Right, Mila Rose? Mila?
Put that in
Too busy with the ticket. You got a ticket.
You got your ticket? How many stars did he give you? 2 stars. Oh, it started. Oh, he's ringing the bell. Wow. What do you reckon? Oh, good girl, you waving. What was that? Tunnel. Well, we're going to go past the train station. We're what?
We're on a choo-choo.
We're on a choo-choo. You're on a choo-choo.
Yeah.
Ah.
We touched this part. Mom,
Yeah.
follow me.
Follow me, Mum.
Following.
Are you hot? Mila Rose, are you hot? You still got your shirt on.
Yeah, she's only got a singlet underneath. Did the water get you? Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi?
Good boy, Roman. Don't we live in a beautiful country?